Hi, my name is James Gao, and here's my Android assignment. Um, so I tried really hard to uh, change it so that my name would show up right here, but Android Studio is being really stubborn. Hopefully this works, and as you can see when I hover over the project, my name shows up. The file is called James Gao Android Assignment Main, and again in this Open Projects section, you can see again that file name. Anyways, here is my add task activity file where I implement the button and bind it to their respective things. Here is my main activity file where I set the content view to activity main.xml. Here's my to-do 3 where I create an intent so that the button actually does something when it's clicked. And here's my to-do 5 where I just traverse through all the tasks in the list. Here's my task class, and then here is my task manager singleton class. Here is to do 2. As you can see, I just basically implement the add task functionality using this code. And then here is my to do 7, I believe. To do 4, where I create the button. Anyways, here is my unit test where I basically create a task and then I add it to the task manager. And then I check to see if the first element in the task manager, if the description of that element is equal to help me, which should be just what we just inputted. And then I created another task and added it to the task manager, and again tested to see if the second element's description was equal to what we just put in. And as you can see, if we run it, the test is successful, meaning that my add task method is correct. And then as for the emulation, if I just rerun it here, so this is the home screen, and if you click the plus button to add a task, say you enter a name like enter a task like do homework, and you click save, then it appears here. And then if you enter another task like do book and you save it, then it appears underneath it. If you check these two and you add another task like do TV and you save it, then these two remain checked. And if I uncheck them and then I add another one like do food and I save it, they remain unchecked. And then just to emphasize on this app's ability to do this, I guess, if I check these three and I add another task like do math and I save it, then these three remain checked.